Good morning, children. So today is Saturday, and today you have a GK class. And GK class we have completed the first lesson, right? This is the mammals. Mammals lesson we have completed now. So today we are going to take out the second lesson. Can you fly with me? Okay. So today we are going to read about some new birds. New birds which can fly and they are rarely seen. वो हमेशा दिखाई नहीं देते कि जैसे pigeons, crow, parrot के जैसा हमेशा दिखाई नहीं देते. They are some rare birds. See, it is so. Take out your page number 157, children. Page number 157. I'm going to explain you that page number 157. Okay, taken everyone? Yes, this is the page number 157. Second lesson of GK. It is a migratory bird. So, you know what is a migratory? EVS में बोले ना टीचर, EVS के लेसन में थे ना migration, moving from one place to another. So, it is a migratory bird. Means this bird moves from one place to another. In winter, it migrates to the south in search of warmth, food and shelter. In winter season, ठंडी चलिकालम. In winter season, it migrates to the south. For what? For warmth. Warmth मतलब गर्मी. వేడిగా వెచ్చగా ఉండడానికి. Warmth, food and shelter. It feeds on various animals that found in the water. So in water, not only fish, there are many other animals. Okay, small snails, insects, or whatever it is, whatever the animals which are found in the water, this bird, whatever this bird is there, it feeds on them. Adi a water lo unna ఏమైతే జంతువులు ప్రాణులు ఉంటాయో, whatever the animals water లో ఉంటాయో అవే తింటాయి. For this reason, it has long slender legs and long stout bill. So it has a long legs and also a long bill. ముక్కుతోనే తింటాయి కదా birds. So what is that bird? That is stork. कोंगा. Stork means कोंगा. बोगला बोलते हैं ना, खेतों में रहता, उड़ते रहते खेतों में, और खेतों में जो भी पानी है वो पानी में से ऐसा चोंच मार के खाते रहते. That is stork. The first one is stork. Coming to the second one, this bird has a long and flat beak that looks like a spoon. For this bird, we have a long and flat one. Flat रहता और long रहता, and it looks like a spoon. जैसा हमारा spoon रहता ना, this bird's beak also looks like a spoon. It keeps its bill slightly open in the shallow water and shuts it quickly when some food is found. वो हमेशा water में it slightly opens its mouth. वो जो mouth उसका spoon की जैसा है, it will slightly keep open. So whenever it finds any food in the water, just उसको पकड़ लेता और immediately closes its mouth, and that is called spoonbill. Okay, coming to the third one. It has a large pink colored bird which is usually found standing on one leg while other is tucked beneath its body. So this bird, see, look into the speciality of this bird. This bird is very long and pink color. It has two legs, but it always stands on one leg, and one leg it will be kept folded. हमें क्या है, ऐसा two legs रहते ना. For the two legs, it keeps one leg folded and it always stands on the one leg. This is the speciality of this bird. Let us see which bird it is. It eats with its head upside down. So how it eats? It eats with its head upside down. ऊपर से नीचे करके खाता, and it always stands on one leg, and one leg will be folded under its body. And that bird is flamingo. It pink colored bird. Next, this bird is also called the rainbow bird because of its large colorful bill which grows up to a length of 20 centimeters. So this bird is also called as rainbow bird. Why? What do you know about rainbow? What is a rainbow? Rainbow क्या है? देखते रेनबो पानी पड़े जब वान వచ్చినప్పుడు रेनबो వస్తుంది కదా. We have 7 colors in the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, yellow, orange, red. Yes, rainbow. Did you see? How many of you have seen rainbow? I have seen. Yes, so we see rainbow. So this bird is also called a rainbow bird because its bill, whatever उसका नोक है ना, नाक, उसकी चोंच जो है ना, its bill is very colorful like a rainbow, and it is very lengthy of 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters means, think children, you have a small scale, more than that, वो small scale से भी more than लंबा रहता करते उसका bill, and it is called kill-bill toucan. Okay. Kill-bill toucan. This is also called as a rainbow bird because its bill has a various colors and it is a 20 centimeters length. Next, the hallmark of this bird is the cashew which is covered upward on its bill just like a rhino horn. Have you seen a rhinoceros? Rhino horn. Rhinoceros देखिए, उसका ऐसा हॉर्न के जैसा रहता ऊपर, सिंगा रहते, అవునా, ఇట్లా కొమ్ములు ఉంటాయి rhinoceros. This bird is also have a horn on its bill. See, it has a horn on its bill and it is called rhino, and it looks like a rhino horn. And this is long. This bird is called rhinoceros hornbill because it has a horn which looks like a rhinoceros on its bill. उसके चोंच पे rhinoceros के सींगों के जैसा एक horn रहता. Okay. Next, sixth one, also known as candlestick bird. It has a long bill curved downwards and long neck and a small head. See, look at the speciality of this bird. This bird has very small head, but a long bill which is curved down. ऐसा curve करके long bill है और उसका head small है. And this bird is called long-billed curlew. Okay. So these are the 6 fill in the blank which the name of the birds. Okay, I have explained you what are the birds and I have written you the answers here. You people, please take out your term book while you are listening to the class. Please take out your term book and look into the each and every explanation. It is in page number 157 and write down these answers in your term book. Okay, write very neatly without any mistakes. Thank you, children.